Hello viewers, welcome back. Today video is about barn owl. The barn owl is a medium-sized bird of prey that is found on every continent except Antarctica. It is named for its freebird nesting sites, which are typically found in the barns, abandoned buildings, and hollow trees. Barn owls are easily recognized by their heart-shaped faces and white, heart-shaped facial discs that help them locate prey in the dark. Barn owls are primarily nocturnal hunters that feed on small mammals such as rodents, shrews, and rabbits, as well as birds and insects. They have incredibly acute hearing, which allows them to locate prey by sound alone. They are also very silent flyers thanks to their specialized feathers that help to muffle the sound of their wings. Barn owls are solitary birds and are often seen alone or in pairs. They are known for their distinctive screeching call, which can be quite loud and startling. Unfortunately, barn owl populations have declined in many parts of the world due to habitat loss, pesticide use, and other factors. Barn owls have some of the best low light vision of any animal. Thanks to their large eyes and specialized retinas, they can see in near darkness and even in total darkness using their exceptional hearing to locate prey. Barn owls have a unique adaptation that allows them to swallow their prey whole, including bones and fur. Barn owls are considered to be important indicators of ecosystem health. Their decline in some regions can be a warning sign of broader environmental problems. Conservation efforts to protect barn owls can help to support broader conservation goals as well. Barn owls are sometimes called ghost owls because of their pale appearance and their ability to fly silently throughout the night. Thanks for watching. Take care. Thank you.